In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AliExpress account 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll have a brand new AliExpress account ready to go, and I'll make sure every part of the process is clear and stress-free. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official AliExpress website at aliexpress.com. Once the home page loads, look to the top right corner for the account or sign in option and click it. This brings you to the sign in screen. Since we're creating a new account, choose register. That tells AliExpress you're starting fresh rather than logging in. Next, you'll see different ways to sign up. You can use your email or continue with a service like Google, Facebook, or Apple. If you pick a social option, a secure pop-up will ask you to confirm that you want to link that account. Review the permissions, confirm, and you'll be brought back to AliExpress to finish up. This route is quick and saves you from managing another password. If you prefer to keep things separate or don't want to link accounts, choose the email method. For email signup, enter the required details carefully. That usually means your email address and a password, and sometimes basic information, like your name or country depending on what the page asks for. Create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays secure. Double check your email spelling because the next step relies on it. AliExpress will send a verification code to the email you entered. Open your inbox and look for that message. If you don't see it after a minute or two, check your spam or promotions folders. When the email arrives, copy the code and paste it back into the verification box on the site. Codes can expire, so try to enter it promptly. If it's not working, request a new code and repeat the process. Once your email is verified and all the fields look good, click Create Account. That's the confirmation that finalizes everything. You should see a success message and be signed in automatically. From here, you're ready to browse, add items to your cart, and get familiar with the platform. If you plan to shop soon, it's a good idea to review your account settings later so your region, language, and currency match your preferences. That's it. You visited the site, chose register, picked your sign-up method, entered your details, verified the code, and clicked Create Account. You now have your AliExpress account set up for 2025 and beyond.